Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add trusted contacts on your Facebook account. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. Trusted contacts are friends that can securely help if you ever have trouble accessing your account. A security code will be sent to each of the trusted contacts, which you will need to get your account back. To begin, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on the three lines from the top right corner. Scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Under Security section, select Security and Login. Scroll down a little. Under Setting up Extra Security, tap on Choose 3 to 5 friends to contact if you get locked out. A message will pop up explaining how Trusted Contacts works. Tap Choose Trusted Contacts. Type in the name in the search box. You need to add at least 3 friends. You can add up to 5. After that, tap on Done from the top right corner. That's it. Your Trusted Contacts has been added. You can add or remove Trusted Contacts by returning to this page and tapping on Edit. So in this way, you can add Trusted Contacts on your Facebook account. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.